Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So back in December of last year, I let you know that after 30 years, Microsoft is going to be redesigning the legacy Run Dialog box in Windows 11. And Run Dialog has basically been around since the beginning of Windows itself. And since Windows 95, the look and feel of this legacy component has basically been unchanged. Now, just to let you know, in regards to the Run Dialog box, that late last week, as I've mentioned earlier today, Microsoft rolled out the latest Windows 11 preview builds to the Insider program. And as part of the changes in preview, Microsoft has announced new changes to the Run Dialog box, saying that Run has been rebuilt from the ground up in 3 key areas. So if we head over to an image provided from the announcement, here we can see things looking a lot more modern, and also it takes on dark mode and a lot slimmer, which I do think is a nice move. Now, the first key area where Microsoft says it's being rebuilt from the ground up is it gets a modern design, as we can see, where it has a refreshed look and matches fluent design and Windows 11 with dark mode support. Microsoft says it's faster than before, where performance was top of mind when rewriting Run, where Microsoft says it's reduced the medium time to show time to 94 milliseconds. So that's after you click when it shows up on your desktop, 94 milliseconds. And third up, Microsoft says you now get quick user directory access. Now, the modern Run Dialog is slowly rolling out in current Insider builds, as mentioned, and it's an opt-in feature. So you have to actually toggle this on in settings if you are in the Insider program, because Microsoft says it's collecting feedback. And if you are in the Insider program, to enable the new Run Dialog, if you find yourself in the Windows Insider experimental channel, it hasn't made it to stable yet, you would head to Settings, navigate to System, Advanced, and you'll see a new Run Dialog option on this page, where you can enable the new modern Run user interface. Now, a bit of a back history here. Windows Run has also been known as the Run Dialog. And basically, it's a surface that has been around for over 30 years. And it has become a heavily relied upon tool for developers and advanced users alike. Where users have decades of muscle memory, Microsoft says, where they hit Win and R. So you can use Win and R on your keyboard to also launch it. And you can navigate through your run history and hit enter to quickly access various paths and tools in the Windows operating system. And Microsoft says that modernizing the Run Dialog to fit the Windows 11 design style, in doing so, it had to make sure that it did everything just as well as before. Where Microsoft says it needed to maintain the same performance while also keeping the user interface minimal, just as Windows 95 intended. And that is quite a minimal interface. Now, over and above this, Microsoft has also revealed early prototypes. And here's 3 of the early prototypes in redesigning the Run Dialog. And here's the first here to the left. That's an early prototype. Here's another one in the middle, and here's one to the right. And this is the final product according to Microsoft. Now, as mentioned, the new Run Dialog is gradually rolling out to Windows Insiders in the experimental channel. And once again, I think it's only a matter of time before this makes it down into the stable version. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.